Aphrodite is an ancient Greek goddess associated with love, lust, beauty, pleasure, passion, procreation, and as her Roman counterpart Venus, desire, sex, fertility, prosperity, and victory. Aphrodite's major symbols include seashells, myrtles, roses, doves, sparrows, and swans. The cult of Aphrodite came from the Phoenicians, who at one time ruled Cyprus. She was also the patron goddess of prostitutes, and our Green Village team found symbols of the goddess in ancient brothels in Italy and in Cyprus. From Homer's Iliad and Sappho's Ode to Aphrodite, she is described as the daughter of Zeus and Dion. Her birthplace is disputed. It is either the Greek island of Scythia or the island of Cyprus. Cypriots firmly believe she was born in Cyprus at the Rocks of Aphrodite, between Limassol and Paphos. Certainly in nearby Kouklia, a temple was built. Even before the temple, sacred groves existed and statuettes of a fertility goddess have been found. The most common belief is that after the fall of Troy, the storm that overtook the Greeks on their return home carried Agapanor and the Arcadian fleet to Cyprus, and so Agapanor became the founder of Paphos and built the sanctuary of Aphrodite at Paphos, that's Old Paphos, around 3,200 years ago. The Romans renamed her Venus and rejuvenated her worship at the sanctuary, and it was then that they introduced mosaics. An interlocking geometric pattern is cleverly done and has inspired some modern art. The most famous mosaic at the sanctuary is an original version of Leda and the Swan, where Zeus, disguised as a swan, is plucking the peplos off the nymph Leda in an attempt to seduce her. We can assume the choice was made because it depicts lust and passion, plus the association with swans. The Temple of Aphrodite at Kouklia and the mosaics in the former Roman villa there is one of the stops on the Mosaics Heritage Trail. Your next and final stop is the Paphos Archaeological Park by Paphos Harbour. You can find a link to the map of the trail in the description to the video below, or contact Mola Culture Factory for more details.